Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. I keep it short and sweet today here. Told you yesterday that we were probably going to go a little bit lower here in the wave D, which happened. The question is now, is this wave D over? So overall picture here, we are, in my opinion, still on the way down with XRP. We purely have not yet seen the price action that would justify a more bullish picture, very objectively, yeah. As much as I hope that we have had the low already in, purely because another drop for XRP would not be very healthy for the coin, but I think we have to see it based on the price action, what the market is currently doing. Now that could change, but it will only change if we move above 38.7 cents. Yeah, the wave A high. This is an Elliott wave triangle, and above the wave A, it will invalidate the triangle in a bullish way, because this triangle, how it is currently set up, would suggest that we are going to break out to the opposite side of the wave E. Now, the question is this wave D already complete? So the wave D worked out as expected. We came lower, we touched here the ascending trend line, but the question is, can we count 5 waves already as complete? Because what we need to see here in a wave D, well, it's actually a 3-wave move. Let me label that for you. What we want to see is 3 waves, basically. A, that would be a B, and this would be a C within a wave D. So a wave D consists of 3 waves, yeah, but obviously all these waves have subwaves. No reason to look at wave A subwaves, no reason to look at wave B subwaves. Best to take a look at the wave C subwaves to give us an indication if this is already over, or if we have to have another lower low, basically, in this move. Here, this is 1, 2, high likelihood that this here was the 3, this was the 4, and then moving down in a 5. So one more low would be expected. Let's take a quick look and verify that by using the Fibonacci extensions. So looking at the length of the wave 1, what would be the 1.618 extension here with the wave 3 that I have on the chart, reached actually nearly the 200% extension, an ideal target for a wave 3. It then retraced in the wave 4. Let's take a look at that. Taking the wave 3 length, retracement, reached the, what did it reach? It actually reached the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, okay? So that's fine for a wave 4. And we would now expect another wave 5 to the downside, in my opinion, yeah? Well, you might ask, why was this not the wave 3? I guess this is the other option. This was the 3, this the 4, this the 5, yeah. Possible. Let's take a look at the deeper. Yeah, but here it gets revealed. I mean, I'm on the 15-minute chart now, which I would normally not do, but how would I count here 5 waves? You know, you see this wave 3? How would I count 5 waves? 1, 2. This doesn't really work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't really work. Overlap. I think I would have to go with, to keep it absolutely valid, I think I would have to go with, let me go back to the 1-hour chart. As I said, this a 3, no, this the 4 high, and then the 5 down, now coming still. However, if indeed for some reason, and maybe I just didn't see it, this was the wave 3 here, this the 4 then, and this the 5, and we actually completed wave D already, then I think this would be confirmed, yeah, that the low is in here with a move above 33 cents, above this wave 4 high, okay? Until then, my primary expectation would be that we still make one more lower low, and the target for that I can give you as well. We measure here Well, there's two things. Let's take one target is we take the wave A length, looking for the 1.618 extension. So that would take us actually to 30.8 cents. We'll mark that on the chart. That's the first target we get. And the next target we get, so both are unfortunately viable targets, which work out very often, is the wave 1 length, adding it to the wave 4 high, looking here for the 1.618 extension as well. Here 30.9 cents. I mean, between 30.8 and 30.9, this seems to be where it's pointing towards, yeah. But because I cannot see when I look into the future, yeah, and I don't have a crystal ball, it could very well be that the low here was already in of the wave D. But I would only go with that if here we go above 33 cents. Then I think we're going up in a wave E. The wave E would also be a 3-wave move, and after the wave E is finished, I would expect an impulsive wave to the downside here in 5 waves to finish off wave 5, which would go below the low of here, the 18th of June. Okay, and that's a quick update here about XRP. Hopefully you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership, and also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Both of these show or include additional content and is basically updated daily, and you can find the links for that in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.